Good morning friends. Here we discuss about some important topics of mathematics, that is trigonometry. First of all, we discuss about the bird trigonometry are taken from where, and after that we discuss the definition of trigonometry. Now, the bird trigonometry are taken from a Greek word, that is trigonon and metron. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measure. That means we can say in simple way, trigonometry is the measurement of a triangle. Measurement of a triangle. Now, we discuss about some trigonometric function. These trigonometric functions are used to find out the relationship between the sides of the triangle and the angle of the triangle. So these trigonometric functions are sine trigonometric function, cosine trigonometric function, tangent trigonometric function, cotangent trigonometric function, secant and cosecant. Now, these trigonometric functions are reciprocal of these trigonometric functions. For example, cotangent is a reciprocal of tangent trigonometric function, secant is a reciprocal of cosine trigonometric function, and cosecant is a reciprocal of sine trigonometric function. Now, we discuss about some trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratio is always we calculate for a right angle triangle. Suppose that that is a right angle triangle. That angle is 90 degree and that angle is theta 1 and that angle is theta 2. Suppose these corners are ABC. Then we can say that is perpendicular and that is base and that is hypotenuse. That is perpendicular, that is base. These perpendicular and base may be interchanged to each other, that it depends on the angle which we consider. If we consider angle theta 1, then that AB is perpendicular and BC is base. If we consider angle theta 2, then BC is perpendicular and AB is base. Okay. Now, we find out the relationship between these trigonometric function and sides of the triangle and these angles. So, these relationships are as follows. Now, sine trigonometric function sine theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. Now, we find out other trigonometric function. So we know that cosecant is a cosecant, that is cosec. Cosecant is a reciprocal of sine theta, that means that is 1 upon sine theta, that is equal to h upon p, hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. Now, we know that secant is a reciprocal of secant, that is sec, is reciprocal of cos theta, that means hypotenuse divided by base. Hypotenuse divided by base. Now, tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, reciprocal of cot. That means cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. That is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So these are the relationship between the trigonometric function and the sides and angle of the triangle. Now we observe the value of trigonometric functions on different angles. See that sine theta on 0 degree is 0, on 30 degree is 1 by 2, 45 degree on 1 by root 2, and 60 degree is root 3 by 2, and 90 degree is 1. Similarly, if we find out the value of cos theta on these angles, then we reverse the value of sine theta. For cos 0 degree is 1, cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree that is 1 by 2, and 90 degree is 0. Then a reverse value of sine theta. Similarly, we find out the value of tan theta on these angles, then this value is 0. Sine tan 0 is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, 40 degree is 1, on 60 degree that is root 3, and 90 degree that is not defined. Because on 90 degree We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. On 90 degree cos theta is 0 degree, cos theta is 0 degree, so we can say sin theta divided by 0, that is equal to not defined. So the value of tan theta on 90 degree is not defined. Similarly, we find out the value of cot theta, then we reverse the value of tan theta, that is not defined, that is root 3, that is 1 by 3 and 0. Similarly, we find out the value of sec theta, then we know that sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Then we find out the value, if we find out the value of sec theta, then we reciprocal of these values. That is 1, that is 2 upon root 3, that is root 2, that is 2, and that is not defined, because similarly that is 1 upon 0, that is not defined. If we find out the value of cosec theta on these angles, then cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta, reciprocal of sin theta. So we find out the value of these value of cosec theta on these angles is, that is cosec 0 is not defined, because similarly cosec is 1 upon sin, on 0 degree sin theta on 0 degree is 0, so that is not defined. So that is not defined, that is reciprocal, that 2, that is root 2, and that is 2 upon root 3, that is 1. So these values are more useful for the calculation purpose. So we learn these values by this table, Thank you.